Hello, good morning, children. My today's topics are reaction of acids with bases. Second, not all hydrogen containing compounds are acids. Third, acids can show acidic behavior only in the presence of water. Chemical property of acid is reaction of acids with bases. Acids react with bases or acid reacts with base to form salt and water. The reaction of acid with base to form salt and water is also known as neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. Acid HX for base, we can write the formula MOH, where M stands for metal hydroxide. Metal hydroxide is known as base. Again here X stands for any acid radical like chloride, sulfate, nitrate, phosphate, carbonate, etc. Children, I am writing this one many times so that you can remember this always. X stands for any acid radical. When you combine this acid radical with hydrogen, you will get the acid. So let us take example. It will form salt MX. Again here metal combined with acid radical to form MX salt. Hydrogen here combined with OH to form H2O. Hence, the reaction is also known as neutralization reaction. Let us take few examples. HCl plus sodium hydroxide. Here HCl stands for hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide to form sodium chloride and water. Likewise, second example, sulfuric acid H2SO4 plus magnesium hydroxide form magnesium sulfate plus water. That means here you can see this sulfate radical combined with magnesium form magnesium sulfate. Likewise here chloride radical combined with sodium to form sodium chloride. As here, during the reaction of an acid with a base, the hydrogen ion or H plus ion of an acid, which is responsible for its acidic property, neutralized by OH minus ion of a base, which is responsible for its basic property to form water. And hence, the reaction is known as neutralization reaction. That means during the process, the acid loses its property, base loses its property to form salt and water. We have learned all acids give hydrogen gas as a result of reaction with metals. That means all acids contain hydrogen atom in its molecule. So what do you think? All hydrogen containing compounds are acids? No. All hydrogen containing compounds are not categorized as acid. In order to show this, all hydrogen containing compounds are not acid, let us perform the following activities. You take 3 test tubes containing alcohol solution, glucose solution and dilute sulfuric acid solution. Children, you can see here alcohol C2H5OH has hydrogen atoms in its molecular formula. Likewise, glucose has 12 atoms of hydrogen. Even though both the compounds, they have hydrogen atoms in their molecular formula, but they are not behaving as acids. If you add blue litmus solution In all the three test tubes, on adding approximately 2 ml of blue litmus solution in all the three test tubes, you can see here in dilute sulfuric acid, the blue color changes to red, but in alcohol and glucose solution, the blue color remains same, that is blue in color. As it remains blue in color, this shows even though they have hydrogen atoms, these hydrogen atoms are not responsible for the acidic character. The reason for this, the hydrogen atoms present in these molecules do not dissociate to produce H plus ions in the aqueous perform solution. One more activity to show alcohol and glucose, even though they contain hydrogen atoms in their molecular formula but are not categorized as acids, for which you require a beaker. Take beaker, place 2 electrodes in the beaker. One electrode acts as cathode and another one as anode. Connect these 2 electrodes through a wire, Bryson, key and bulb. Now, first you fill the beaker with dilute sulfuric acid and press the key. As soon as you press the key in on position, you can see the bulb glows. Bulb does glows. As the bulb glows, it shows that the sulfuric acid dissociate in the water or in aqueous solution to produce H plus and SO4 2 minus ion. And these ions, H plus ions, move toward the cathode and hence the circuit complete and responsible for the bulb to glow. That means sulfuric acid dissociate to produce H plus ion in the solution. Now repeat the same experiment, replacing sulfuric acid by glucose or alcohol solution. Replace the sulfuric acid solution by either glucose or alcohol, or you can go for turn button alcohol and glucose. Again you perform the same activity. As soon as you press the key, now here you can find bulb does not glow. Bulb does not glow. As the bulb does not glow, that shows even though the glucose and alcohol, they have hydrogen atoms in their molecular formula, but they do not produce H plus ions. And as they do not produce H plus ions in the aqueous solution, so that the bulb is not glowing, because here the circuit remains incomplete. And through this experiment, we can show that even though glucose and alcohol have hydrogen atoms in their molecular formula, but they are not considered as acids. So children, we have learned all the acids, they contain hydrogen atoms, and these atoms ionized or dissociate to produce H plus ions in the aqueous solution. In absence of water, they do not dissociate or ionize to produce H plus ion, and hence in absence of water, they do not show the acidic behavior. They can show the acidic behavior only in the water or in presence of water. The fact that acids can show their acidic property only in the aqueous solution, let us perform one more activity. Take some sodium chloride in a hard glass test tube. Now add concentrated H2SO4 using Thissell funnel. As soon as sulfuric acid comes in contact with sodium chloride, it will form hydrogen chloride gas or liberate hydrogen chloride gas with the formation of sodium sulfate. As here hydrogen chloride is in the gaseous form, it will start to move up and comes out through the tube. HCl in the gaseous form. When you bring a dry litmus paper, blue dry litmus paper, you can find there is no change in color. No change in color because there is no hydrogen ion liberated in this process. But as soon as you repeat the same with blue moist litmus paper, the blue color of litmus paper changes to red. As blue color changes to red, this confirms that HCl gas, as soon as it comes in contact with the water molecules of blue litmus, dissociate to produce H plus ion, and as it produces H plus ion, now it is responsible for converting blue color to red color in the solution. Through this experiment, we can show that acids can show their acidic behavior only in the presence of water. That's all in my today's video session. Dear students, due to CBSE evaluation work, for next few days, I will not upload any videos or assignments. Once the evaluation work will be over, first I will conduct a class test based on chapter 1, that is chemical reactions and equation. So, dear children, you can utilize all these days for the preparation of your class test. Thank you.